Hello traders, today I'm introducing a new series of videos on technical analysis indicators, things that are useful and that are good to know for those of you who like to analyze the market by charting. Today's video will be about the AROON indicator. There are two AROONs, the up and the down one. I've tried to fit everything on this screen. As an example, I took the recent crude oil market. Doesn't mean that these indicators can be used only on this market. They can be used on any market. On the upper side of the chart, you can see the price chart, daily one, but can be used for any time frame. The chart in the middle is the AROON up, and down is the AROON down. So what is happening is that the AROON indicators show how strong a trend is. The AROON is an oscillator, so it moves from 0 to 100, cannot go any higher or lower than this range. It uses only price to be calculated, so it does not use volume. And it is quite useful to see in what stage a market is. So the AROON usually uses the last 25 time periods of trading, for example 25 days or 25 weeks, and it measures how long it's been since the market made a new 25 period high or a 25 period low. As you can see, the AROON up and the AROON down are plotted close to each other. They make something like a contrast to each other. Usually the one is going one way, the other one is going to the opposite direction. And calculating the AROON is not so difficult. Anyway, your charting software does this. What you need to feed into the system is the prices, as we said, for the last 25 periods, and using the highs and lows of that respective period, the system will calculate the AROON. So, as we said, let's start with the AROON up. The indicator can take prices from 0 to 100. 0 means that it's been 25 days since the last time that the market made a 25 high. I will try to explain in another way. When the AROON up oscillator takes the value of 100, it means that currently the market is in a 25 period high. So if the 25 period high took place yesterday, the AROON will be at 96, which is 25ths of the 100. If the high was 5 days ago, the AROON up will show 80, etc. Same story for the AROON down. If the price takes value of 100, it means that today the market is making a new 25 days low. If the AROON down shows value of 96, the 25-day low was yesterday. If it shows 92, the low was the day before yesterday, etc. As you can see, an AROON up of 100 is an indicator of a very strong uptrend. Respectively, an AROON down of 100 shows that the bear market, the downtrend, is very strong. What you can do is watch which one of the two is strong, the AROON up or the AROON down. This will give you a quite clear indication of the stage that the market is in. You can also check for crossovers between the AROON up and the AROON down. So when the AROON up crosses over above the AROON down, this is a buy signal. When the AROON down crosses and remains above the AROON up, this is a sell signal. When the market looks stagnant, normally the AROON up and the AROON down will take values in the range of 30, 40, 50, 60%. So in this case, there is no clear trend in place. Of course, what you do when you are in an uptrend or a downtrend or a consolidation phase, it's another story. We will not cover it now. But it's important to know what the market is doing. When a new trend is starting, this is what you need to know. You don't need to be the first one to get into the new emerging trends, but it's good to know that things are changing and maybe you need to get out of previously opened trading positions. When the AROON up stays close to 100 persistently, it means that the uptrend is still in place. The opposite holds true for the AROON down. You may even build trading systems based on some levels. Say, for example, when AROON up moves above 70, I want to be long, or when the AROON down moves above 60, for example, I want to be short. When the AROON up is making new records at 100, which means that the 25-day high is today, you need to know this. Of course, as you know, there is no perfect indicator in technical analysis, and also you cannot use the AROON indicator only and ignore everything else. The market may give inaccurate signals when the market is choppy, when it has no clear direction. However, it's good to know that the market is doing nothing practically. In other cases, the trading signals given by the indicator are good, but they come in too late. So it may be less useful to wait for a new 25-day high before you open a long position. Also, after a 25-day low has been established, it may be not such a good idea to open a fresh short because the market may be oversold already and you're coming in too late. Overall, you can use the AROON indicator as an indicator that shows in what market phase we currently are. We can look for crossovers, which mean that the trend may be changing direction. And you can do that in order to know that it is time to get out of a market that is reversing, that had been good to you. Or it's good to use the indicator to know that now is the time to start getting interested in a market. So this video was educational. I'm not insisting or not promoting this specific indicator. I'm just letting you know that it is a useful tool that you can use in combination with your other technical instruments and indicators. For all your questions, please feel free to comment below and I will try to answer them. If you like this YouTube channel, please subscribe. And I hope to see you in one of my next videos, hopefully soon, with another technical analysis indicator. Good luck in your trading and see you soon.